Ever needed money from Venmo and wished it would just appear in your bank account, like right now? You're not alone. While the standard Venmo transfer is free, it can take a few business days to process. And who has time for that when you need cash for an urgent bill or a night out? That's where Venmo's instant transfer feature comes in. It's a quick and easy way to move your money from Venmo to your bank in as little as 30 minutes. But there's a catch, it's not free. So, is the convenience worth the cost? In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to do an instant transfer, what the fee is, and a few key things to remember before you hit that button. First, you need to have a linked and verified bank account or supported debit card. Once you're set up, open the Venmo app and head to the Me tab. Look for the transfer button under your Venmo balance. It's usually a $sign or a specific transfer button, but the layout can change. Tap it, enter the amount you want to transfer, and then you'll be given a choice between standard and instant. Select instant and you'll see the fee clearly displayed. The fee is a percentage of your transfer amount, with a minimum and maximum cap, so keep an eye on that. Review the details, confirm the transfer, and boom. Your money should be in your bank account typically within half an hour, though it can take a bit longer in some cases. A few quick things to remember: instant transfers aren't available for everyone and have rolling weekly limits. So, if you're trying to send a large sum, you might hit a cap. Also, double-check that your bank and card information is correct to avoid any delays. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.